Welcome back to MenRev. Today, we're diving into an important question that often arises in the world of fitness. How many times should you exercise per week? Finding the right exercise frequency is crucial for achieving your fitness goals and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore various factors that influence exercise frequency and provide you with actionable tips to help you determine the ideal workout schedule. Make sure to stick around until the very end to discover the perfect exercise frequency for you. Before we delve into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand what exercise frequency means. Exercise frequency refers to the number of times you engage in physical activity within a given week. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, as each person's needs and goals may vary. Several factors influence the ideal exercise frequency for an individual. Let's explore these factors to help you make an informed decision. Fitness goals. Your specific fitness goals play a significant role in determining how often you should exercise. Whether your aim is weight loss, muscle gain, improved endurance, or overall fitness, your exercise frequency should align with those objectives. Exercise intensity. The intensity of your workouts is another crucial factor. High-intensity activities, such as heat or heavy weightlifting, require more recovery time between sessions. On the other hand, low-intensity exercises, such as walking or yoga, can be performed more frequently. Exercise type. Different types of exercise target various aspects of fitness. Incorporating a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility work ensures a well-rounded fitness routine. Each type may have its own recommended frequency. Individual recovery capacity. Pay attention to how your body responds to exercise and prioritize adequate recovery. Everyone's recovery capacity differs, and it's essential to listen to your body's signals. If you feel excessively fatigued or experience persistent muscle soreness, you may need more rest days. Time availability. Consider your daily schedule and commitments when planning your exercise frequency. Finding a balance that fits into your lifestyle without causing undue stress is crucial for long-term adherence. While exercise frequency varies for each individual, there are some general guidelines to help you get started. Remember to personalize these recommendations based on your goals and capabilities. Cardiovascular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity spread throughout the week. You can break it down into smaller sessions, such as 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Strength training. Engage in strength training exercises at least 2 days per week, targeting major muscle groups. Allow for adequate rest days between sessions to promote muscle recovery and growth. Flexibility and mobility work. Incorporate flexibility and mobility exercises into your routine a few times a week. Stretch major muscle groups to improve joint range of motion and prevent injuries. Remember, finding the optimal exercise frequency is a journey of self-discovery. Here are some tips to help you personalize your exercise schedule. Start slow. If you're new to exercise or returning after a break, begin with a moderate exercise frequency and gradually increase it as your fitness level improves. Consistency is key. Monitor progress. Keep track of your workouts, noting how your body responds to different frequencies. Pay attention to energy levels, performance improvements, and overall well-being. Seek professional guidance. Consulting a certified fitness professional or personal trainer can provide valuable insights tailored to your needs. They can help create a personalized workout plan based on your goals, fitness level, and any specific considerations. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of how many times you should exercise per week. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between challenging your body and allowing for proper recovery. Listen to your body, be consistent, and adjust as needed. We hope this comprehensive guide has equipped you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your exercise frequency. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today. Before you go, we'd like to remind you to prioritize your well-being and make exercise a consistent part of your lifestyle. Stay active, stay motivated, and we'll catch you in the next video.